So guys, let me tell you, many people to told I have no any partner so that I can talk to him. So you don't thinking about your, so you have cell phone, you keep your front of cell phone and you speak whatever you want to speak. You can take any topic, then it will be easy, then you speak easy. Let me tell you, many people to learn grammar, but they know grammar rules, everything they know, but they cannot speak English because they never practice. If they practice, definitely they can speak English. So main perfect, you should practice and you don't thinking about your mistake, you only practice, then you improve yourself. That's okay. That is when I was a study 5th standard, I was very good English. I don't know anything about English. How can writing, how can reading, how can listening. So I don't know anything. But I improved gradually my English. I improved gradually. So now I can anything I can speak English. I can speak English, but my pronunciation is not clear. I know. I understand. Hey guys, I give you better way. How can you improve yourself? So you take one book and you read all whatever I have in your story all you read and you speak. Whatever you have story written, you can read all read or keep your mind and speak whatever you want to speak. Guys, you have to do it. You don't give up. You have to do it. You asking yourself, you have to do it. So don't thinking about mistake. Just you learn. Just you speak. Whatever you have mouth, you can speak confidently. Then you are able to speak English. If you thinking about mistake, I cannot speak English, you never speak English. You have to speak English. You have to try. Then you are able to speak English. Okay, goodbye.